Victor Aviles, Colby Huntress, Christopher Harris, Evan Martin, Troy Spencer Jr., Israel Cuellar, and Zachary Brumfield. Taking the early lead here, Christopher Harris, 26-6 for 200, that's moving. Harris, going. Very competitive. Coming up to Florida. Harris, Vaughn, and Evan Martin. Cuellar in fourth. Five of them have broken away. Colby Huntress, the fifth in that group. And now into the straight for the penultimate time. Looking for the run, this Luke Vaughn, 1 lap to go. And Luke Vaughn with a full head of steam